Hello, everyone. GM, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world. We're back with our second workshop of the day with Pluto from Swan Chain. Pluto was with us yesterday, and tonight and today he's here with us again, and he will give you an introduction to Swan Chain. He will just give a general info on Swan Chain, as a EVM-compatible AI network, use cases, fundamentals, so everything you need to know about Swan Chain. And with that, Pluto, I'll hand it over to you.
Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. My name is Pluto. I'm from the Swan team. I'm really excited that we can sit here and talk about our layer 2 blockchain technology, which is our Swan Chain. It's a platform. It's decentralized AI computing network, specifically designed to transform the AI blockchains industries. So yeah, you will get everything that you want to know from for our chance. And if you got any questions, feel free to ask me. So let's get started. Let's start by discussing the current landscape. Today, over the 200,000 developers entering the market, as we know, facing the significant challenges in accessing affordable and effective AI computing resources. Those challenges including the GPU resource for the AI applications, probably in ineffective RPC environments, or like store for long-term data abilities. So here, that's the reason we build this. We are facing the same problem, and we want to solve that problem with our technical. So let's go through. Like Swan Chain is providing unified solutions that integrating a decentralized storage, computing, and also the network prone to put them together as AI chains. So as you can see here, we have the AI computing. We have a global GPU access, and we got the Web3 GitHub, we got the IPFS cache, and we will have a decentralized storage. That we also have the multi-chain storage, and we have really special one called ZKP computing, that we are having a ZK scan, and also we have the Falcon ZK and other ZKs. So well, if you joined us yesterday, so that it's really similar as to what we're talking about before, but we're gonna go through all those use cases to showing you what exactly we have in on our chain. So basically, well, I'm gonna share this. All right. So well, we was having the stable diffusion demo yesterday, but we're gonna show that again. Again, this is the Lagrange platform. It's also built with our chain technical, and also well, I have to like mention that it's also built with the Swan SDK that was mentioned yesterday. I was talking about that yesterday. And if you have really interested at the SDK, please just come and get connect with us. I really really happy to provide any helps. So basically, you will be able to build any like the AI modules or like whatever you want, even though a hello world or a small demo with paying by our tokens, with using our decentralized storage to build a demo or like whatever you want with our computing sources. So basically, there's some of our use cases that right now we have. We have the music gen that is stopped. Well, let's see if we have others. Yeah, text to speech. So let's see. Can show some demo here. Well, can I just Okay. All right, so this is something that we build for the demos, but also similar as we have, and you will also be able to build this with either the Lagrange or Swan SDK, whatever you want on our chain. So, well, it's really taking on time, even though it's running on 3080s. Or, mm, and I think we can probably just at the same time, why not to take some others. Um, sorry, here we go. And also we have some tools is running on our chains, the Jupiters. You can see it's really easy to access whatever you want, and you can deploy whatever you want. So let me see if, yeah, here we go. That's right. Yeah. So let's see if you are tired for a really high bill, or you are tired for whatever the computing providers are asking for your personal informations, the credit card informations, and you feel unsafe, or you just want to try, but you realize that you don't have any device that you can get deployed. Well, this is your chance um, to to try your new stuff, and based on the Web3 technical, and uh, what is okay. So what is the difference between the background and Swan SDK? Well, I'm gonna answer that later. It's really interesting questions. Um, all right, let's back to our um, introduction first. So we have, as you can see there, we have a lot of users. We have a lot of users of the social medias, and we have some universities and early testers, open source test protocol with the Google, NVIDIA, some university like the McGill, and well, of course, the fundings. We have the Channing, have the Fireconf, have the OP, we have the Binance. So yeah, as you can see, those data, it's really exciting numbers, but I think you guys will be much more interested in what kind of technical technology we're gonna use. So we have the AI market and ZK-UBI. What is the ZK-UBI? Is basically when you get connect with our chain. So because we need we own the computing source, and the computing source is actually provided by our communities that you get connected with our chains, so that you will be able to get receive the ZK UBI task. So the UBI is universal beneficial interest income. It's kind of weird task, but anyways, let's put that simple. I don't want to make some annoying um uh, acknowledge there. So it's just simply like you will receive money every day with our tokens. Let's make that as simple as possible. And of course, we have the AI engines that we will. That's why you can deploy your stable diffusions. You can deploy whatever you want. Your AI modules there, and also the ZK engines will give you like we support the Polygon ZK EVM, the Firecorn, the Stocknard, and Elo. Right. So this is the sense that the computing engine that we're using with the Chinese CCIP. So basically, the user will have a computing task and prepaid tokens, and we will have a smart contract that with the Chinese CCIP, so that we can lock the prepayment and send the tokens. If that is unlocked, we will send tokens and refund and WID back to the users. And after the smart contract, we will put that into the computing providers. well, of course, the CCIP will give the on-chain proof, and the computing providers will give put the computing result to the IPFS, the MCS, we call that multi-chain storage. Well, that's all on-chain Spark and a Faircoin. And back to back to the computing providers. The computing provider can get those informations with. You can always retrieve those informations from the on-chains, like the MCS, the IPFS stuff, and user will get, of course, after the user paid, we got access to the proof. The user will be able to get the result from the computing providers. So we all know that on the market right now, we have several different stuff. It's providing the same stuff, same computing stuff with us. But this is why the reason that you're choosing us is because, for instance, we have a layer 2 Ethereum chain, well, that we build by ourselves, and we have a data set market which will contain into the Lagrange. We have a decentralized storage with our own call that multi-chain storage is providing with the IPFS and Filecoin technique. And also we have the ZK computing, which is the really special one on our chains. I think it's the unique one right now on the market. And also we have a lot of AI and ML models there right now. It's around like 1,000 that also provided by by our chain. So there's some Swan apps that going through us. As you can see, there's several numbers. The Swan Chain stays, the total Ethereum transfers, and we have the complete transaction hash. It's based on it's update until like March 14th, which is the campaign that before we call that certain. But right now we are really exciting that we are starting another campaign called Proxima, and there will be a lot of chance that you guys goes into that, take a look what's going on there, and you will get the fully help from the dev team, the marketing team, whatever you want. We are here to get help, and also we have the multi-chain storage because as we mentioned before that we also have the decentralized storage. We call that multi-chain storage. In the multi-chain storage platform, we have the total CIDs with like it's a really big numbers with the IPFS storage with the file uploaded, registered users, and the Lagrange AI computing. We also have a total really high number of the total spaces, daily active apps. You can always check those data with our web page. Go through the Lagrange, or you can, if you be interested at our Swan Chain, of course. We have the official website with the Swan Chain we're gonna provide after. So this is what we have is the decentralized storage. We have 250 plus storage providers. It's working with us to provide the storage, and they, as I mentioned, they all build with the Swan Chain that we are providing those services. We integrate those services together, and we build a Swan Chain because we saw what we have, what the developers have, what the marketing needs, and we are trying our best to solve those problems. And that's the product that we are pushing up right now, and it's really powerful one that I would like to see. And as you can see that we because the Chrome services we was mentioned, it's always like, okay, you will be able to build a lot of stuff. You will be able to deploy a lot of stuff. That is why we have those deployed services, is because we own the computing providers. And as you can see, we have in total 63 network providers are working with us. over 1,000 applications, and in total deployments, it's over 40,000. And total UBIs, well, you guys can just check that on our computing providers dashboard to see how and why they are joining us and why we have those resources. Well, I'd like to see it's really exciting numbers for us, for our team, for the entire communities. We are still pushing that, and there's more and more computing providers looking for joining us, and we have an entire team to support those people that is be interested come become to our computing providers. It's really easy to get help. So, well, if you feel interested at becoming a computing providers, well, it's also feel free to join us and get connect with us with the Swan team to get any help to get the help that you need. So this is the Swan roadmap. So right now, we are on the 2024 Q2, which we are really excited. We are planning to pushing our Swan Chain to the midnight. So before that, as you can see, we have the certain testnet, which we already finished, but we are starting another one called Proxima, as I saw before. So before the task now we test the ZK computing. As you can see that we did a lot of pre-work to make sure that our chain is workable and it's really like stable for our market. So next month we are pushing our chain to the midnight, as you can see the roadmap. So it's really exciting. That I also want to mention there. If you feel interested as for our chains, please get connect with us as quick. Hello, can you guys? Sorry that I don't know why it's muted. But yeah, as you can see there, we have a lot of yeah, sounds good. Yeah, we have a lot of stronger partners, uh, and we got Google's NVIDIA is working with us, uh, and we have a lot of support. By the way, we have a lot of support from the NVIDIA. They providing a really strong GPU resources, which is like H4000, so that you will be able to use the H4000, which is really powerful AI computing resource like the GPU. Yeah, so this is some investors that we have. I'm really excited to see there's Chinese, the Binance Labs. Well, I don't want to mention that them all, but like this is not the stuff. Really appreciate with the Chinese, and that we have this chance that working together talk about the Swan chance, share with the communities that was is open AI module available. Yes, of course. So basically, what you have, you will need either a space that well we saw that I say like it's deployable Docker file, and you will need either a Swan SDK or a Lagrange, and you will see the result. You will see the result that after the computing provider finish their job. So yeah, that's pretty much all for our chain introductions. Get started with us if you got interested, and really happy to if you have any questions or if you need any help, really happy to provide those. And let's I saw several questions. Let's start with the what's the difference between the Lagrange and Swan SDK. So Lagrange and Swan SDK both use the Swan technique, and we use the we call it operator. So basically, we have auction engines running up. So either the Lagrange and SDK will send a task. If you like, let's say that you have an AI module you want to build. So you create a space on Lagrange, or you create a task with our Swan SDK. By the way, the Swan SDK with the Swan SDK you will get 2,000. You will be able to get $2,000 with us. So yeah, try our Swan SDKs. But Lagnar is more like we have a D app. It's a UI based, so it's much more easier to get started to try what's going on there. But Swan SDK is, well, it's a SDK we provide to people that want to like build their, probably there's another backend that you can call our services, you can call our computing providers to help your user and to grow up your users. And so basically, Lagrange and Swan SDK are both using our computing source resource, and Lagrange is more UI based. So we got some task credit, of course. So if you join our Discord, you will have a faucet that you can get the task tokens, and you can start pay for that, and you can start try to deploy your first applications with us. Could you share the set of the workshop or the links in Swan Chain webpage? Yeah, of course. So I think that this is the stuff that this is those informations that you guys need. So join our Discord. I am there. I am getting. If you have any questions, or if you wanna have a big plan with us, of course, welcome to get connect with me. Let's talk about the next step. And if you wanna like the bigger task tokens, like the bigger numbers of the task tokens, well, feel free to let us know. We will try our best to provide those stuff as quick as we can. And welcome to follow our Twitters to get to our information up to date. And there's some web page, the official web page that will keep being posted. Yeah. So thank you for joining our introductions for today. And I think if there's no questions, that's all that I want to share for today. Thank you so much. Could you please share your contact info? Join the Discord, and my Discord name is one P, and you will see like Swan Dev Team. You will find me. Yeah, see you in Discord. See you in Discord. I'm really excited to see you guys in our we build the big stuff with our communities. Thank you so much for your interest.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Pluto. This was super interesting, and hopefully everyone took notes. You know everything about Swan. You're ready to build with them and apply for their hackathon bounty. And yeah, thank you so much, everyone. And yeah, happy hacking. Keep working hard. And we'll see you tomorrow for more workshops. We're done for the day. So yeah, bye everyone.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you guys in Discord.